I'm Lucy Hinson. I'm the long-term property manager here at REMAX Heritage. One of the things that I love about working for REMAX is everyone is on a team here. We all work well together, and also the diversity of the customers that we help. I enjoy helping customers find a rental home, and then our other part of the team can help them purchase their forever home. I chose REMAX because it's a globally recognized company and has a lot of recognition, and that helps us work with people from all over the world. Here at REMAX Heritage in the Property Management Division, we offer two types of services. We offer long-term property management where we can place the tenant in your home, which would be full-service property management. We also offer a program which is called Property Watch. This is for our owners that are not here, and we offer that, and that's a once-a-month service where we go check on your home for you so you'll have a peace of mind.